Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Moonface Soulmate calculator so you can join the TikTok trend. So ever wonder if your Moonface matches your soulmates? So the Moonface Soulmate calculator is taking TikTok by storm, and in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can calculate your Moonface and compare it with your soulmates. So in here, what you need to do is just open your browser and then search for Moonface calculator, and then tap on this the first page that show up www.yourmoonface.com, and you'll see this page. So what you need to do is just add your birth date and your country. So here I'm going to add my birth date and enter your year of birth and choose your country. Okay, you can tap on this moon button and then you can just scroll down here. Sorry. Okay, this one's right here, your results, and this is my moon face. So what you need to do is just click on the long press on the image and tap on download image, and your moon face image will be downloading. Now you can just open or go to the calculator again. Now add your partner birth date. Okay, just do the exact same step and tap on the moon button. Okay, so this is my partner moon face. Now you can just download it again. So just long press again on the image and tap on download image. And next, what you need to do is just edit it on CapCut or on TikTok directly, and then upload the results to your TikTok account so that you can join the Moonface TikTok trend. And so guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next TikTok tutorial. Bye!